Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to stabilize the video in InShot. Alright, let's begin. First, open your InShot application. Once it opens, tap on Video and select the video you want to stabilize. Allow all permissions, then tap Next and confirm again. After selecting your video, swipe left to access options. Here, tap on Speed. You will see fast and slow options. Drag the slider to adjust the speed as needed. On the left side, tap Smoother Slow Motion for stabilization, then tap the tick on the right to apply changes. Alternatively, you can go to the Curve section, where you will find additional stabilization controls. Adjust the curves to smooth out shakiness and make your video more stable. Once done, preview your video to check the results. So that's basically how you can stabilize the video in InShot. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.